Forever thankful and grateful. See information below for full details. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today's video, it's more than just a painting. It's a meditation on renewal, reflection, and rediscovery. Use what you have. The art of healing through leftovers. I want to start by saying thank you to Just Janese for inviting me today as the guest artist for this month's 1000 Below collaboration. It's an honor, and I'm thrilled to support these amazing women as they work towards reaching their first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. There is so much heart in this community. I know with the love that they have for their art, they will make this goal in no time. And let's give a big warm hug to Pattie from Let's Pour With Pattie. She graduated a few months ago from this challenge, and she's returned this month with her signature sparkle. Pattie was so happy you've come back to grace us again with so much love. This month's challenge was simple on the surface, but powerful with its intention. Use what you have. We all have those pieces sitting in our studios, canvases that we started but never finished, paintings that didn't quite hit the mark, supplies we swore we'd use again but haven't touched in years. All those leftover paints that we never seem to finish up and just get pushed to the back of the shelf. Some colors indistinguishable, and yet we just can't seem to use them up. And we'll never throw them in the trash. Heaven forbid. So what happens when we look at those leftovers, not as failures or clutter, but as opportunities? For this piece, I took one of my older paintings and reimagined it. What didn't I like about this painting? Well, if you look at it, the varnish on it was just very streaky. And I never could seem to fix that. So here we are today. I think this painting is at least 3 to 4 years old, or maybe 2 to 3. I'm not too sure about that. I never did put a date on it. So I'll be adding layers of colored UV resin, some sprinkled with diamond glitter, others a metallic shimmer, some just plain colored UV resin. Some parts will be left bare to let the original paint show through. I'll finish it with a glossy epoxy top coat, tinted with a soft sparkling purple glitter that catches the light just enough to whisper, "You still matter." As I was working, I realized this wasn't just about painting or using resin today. This was about healing, about clearing space, not just in my studio, but in my heart. Reworking an old canvas is an act of self-compassion. You're saying, I still believe in this. You're saying you're not forgotten. You're letting yourself revisit your past, not to judge it, but to honor it and to transform it. There is something deeply cathartic about picking up a canvas that once frustrated you and turning it into something beautiful. It reminds us that we don't always need more to make more. Sometimes what we need is right in front of us, just waiting for us to see it differently, as it is in life. So, if you're looking for ways to rework your old canvases, here are some ideas. Cover parts of a painting with transparent or tinted resin to create a layered dimensional look. Use modeling paste or texture medium to sculpt over it and build something entirely new. Turn 2 smaller canvases into a diptych or rearrange the composition entirely, as I did in a previous video for breast cancer awareness. I took 2 finished canvases and made it into one new piece, and I'll show you that here. Add metallic accents. Make a collage. Take pieces of old canvases and make one big beautiful collage. Or use stencils and give it a fresh character. Or you can simply paint right over it and let the old serve as an underpainting for the new. One other choice: paint it over with Floetrol and then make a new painting on top. You'll be pleasantly surprised. Make sure you leave lots and lots of negative space and let that old shine through. You'll love it. So, what else happens when we work this way? We start to love the process again. We stop chasing perfection. We stop waiting for the perfect supplies or inspiration, and we just create with what we have, where we are, and with a full heart. As you can see here, to everyone out there watching, especially those of you in the 1,000 Below collaboration, this is your time. Your voice, your hands, your story, they matter. It doesn't always have to be spanking brand new all the time. I can't wait to see what you've done here today. It excites me to see your visions. And don't wait for the right moment to do this again. Pick up an old canvas or those old paints and breathe new life into it, because maybe, just maybe, that leftover painting is ready to become your new masterpiece. So as we wrap up today's video, I want to remind you to make a new friend today and say hello to your neighbor. reach out, leave a kind comment, share a little encouragement. The world needs more connection, and we can start right here in our creative community. To my wonderful channel members, thank you for believing in me and supporting what I do. To those who gave blessings this month, thank you. I am forever grateful. And to every single one of you who have watched, liked, or subscribed, you mean more to me than I could ever say. I am deeply grateful to have you here today as part of this beautiful growing family we've created together. So please let me know, what do you think about my transformed painting today? This is transformed using colored UV resins and a top coat of epoxy resin. Let me know in the comments below. I would really appreciate your thoughts on it. And if you've gotten this far into my video and are not subscribed yet, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button and hit all. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. And let's remember what we're here for. Let's help each of these artists reach that 1,000 mark. Share their videos to your community page. It's artists supporting artists. And up next will be Let's Pour With Pattie. Be sure to follow the links. You're not going to want to miss any of them. Each artist so very special in every way. Our Tabulous Creations, Diane Saul Creative Art, and Art by Sparkle, my dear friend Lori. So much creativity, so much heart. Go enjoy every bit of it, and remember, beauty is already in your hands. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. Till next time, bye-bye now.